First morning of Centre Parks. Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, wow.
Are you awake?
Yes, I'm
Are
fully
you ready
awake.
to start the day?
Me and Thiago with
he's
the
awake.
I've done this. Hello there, little boy. Well, you just got your nappy on. Where's your cloud?
Hey, Mum.
Yeah, you showing us your toes. You showing us your toes.
He's growing teeth in us, tell you why. There's white stuff in his gums.
Yeah, there's two little white dots. I'm going to try and get it on camera. And the ducks have decided to join us for breakfast this morning. I think they're hoping to get some
That
bread.
one as well.
But unfortunately, we only have crumpets and cereal this morning.
And grapes.
No one wanted to cook breakfast, so I've just done a nice, and grapes.
Huh.
Nice little light breakfast this morning because we're heading out because we've got some activities today, but there's loads of wildlife joining us today. The sun is at its glorious peak and it's shining. There literally are little birds everywhere. You have to be careful, they're trying to get into the house. But yes, we are going to start this day off with a nice breakfast. If you're wondering where Nathan is, he is upstairs taking a call. So I'm literally still in my pajamas. Everyone's still in their pajamas. We're just going to eat this breakfast and then I'm keeping an eye on the time because we have things planned today for our itinerary. Today is not going to be a current day vlog. We are vlogging and then this video will be going up tomorrow, so you'll be seeing it on Wednesday, and obviously it's Tuesday for us today. So yes, we're going to get on with breakfast so we can get on with the day. So we've got Romello versus Sienna. Who do you think's gonna win? Right, you guys need to go down and let us know who's gonna win. Is it going to be Romello? Is it going to be Sienna? Girls versus boys.
Look at that.
And we got their little fan club over here watching.
Ain't no fan of these lot.
Hello, These are chilling in these giant bee bags. They are so comfy.
You haven't been in them yet?
I went in the ones in the last place.
Look at Romello's.
No, I want to go in my own and jump in.
Romello has a sad face. Only gonna lose.
But I have a sad face, he's gonna lose.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll see I'm ready.
That was a rubbish break.
That was a rubbish break, I'm glad you said
I
it.
don't know what the thing is.
Go on, Sienna, let's watch your first shot.
The choke. I don't know what in fact this one.
That was like 4 fouls all in one go, but we'll let you off. Beans as you are, 7. Oh, that was close.
I'm gonna try to go for a chip shot.
Why are you going for mine?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
didn't
you
go
set
in.
me up, man. You set me
Well,
up.
always tries that shot, man.
Yeah, I'm posting.
Yeah, you never get it, you know.
Oh my god.
So it's a bit later in the day now, and me, Romello, Lorenzo, Sienna and Sariah decided to go on a little bike ride whilst Tara relaxed with baby Thiago, and it was a funny bike ride. Mello, what do you think of that bike ride? Guys, I swear, I wish I had the camera. Anyways, we've come going down this hill, quite a big hill actually, to be fair, and Maya doesn't really like hills. So I'm in front of Maya and all the hair is, Mummy! I've turned around and Maya's panicking. She doesn't know like which brake to press, because I said to her, don't press the front brakes, make sure you press the back brakes in it. So she's panicking coming down this hill, and as she's panicked, Mello's panicked as well. Mello's got his phone in his right hand because he's trying to play Dragon Ball Z and ride at the same time. So because he's got his phone in his right hand, he's not able to press the right brakes. He's pressed the left one instead, and he's come flying over the handlebars. Right, it doesn't matter what hand it was, he come flying over the handlebars. Mello, it was funny, I swear to God. How's your leg?
That was my hand.
Your hand. That was funny.
So guys, we're now going to bowling.
Bowling, Buggy. Ready to see some bowling?
Yeah.
Bowling.
Yeah.
You any good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Be honest, you any good? Who's the worst at bowling?
It's actually me, you know.
Was it you?
I'm the worst.
Last time we came, Mella opted to have the sides down.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
He got like 4 points. I swear, he got gutter ball almost every ball.
Mello, last time was terrible for you in bowling.
Yeah.
It's not going well for you, man. Falling off the bike and all that. Got bowling again in a minute, but you got a chance to redeem yourself in it. Hopefully today you're better.
The last time that happened, it was at Centre Parks last time.
Yeah, but at different centre parks.
Yeah, we're in Nottingham now.
Yeah, exactly. But you're not ready to go bowling then? You two ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready, baby? He's not bothered at all. Bowling. I'm gonna win. Mello, think you're faster now? I'd love for you to go over that handlebar again, root boy. This is what I like about this place on most, man. The little bike rides and stuff. You got to ride everywhere to get to your location, so it's good. Nice for fitness as well, and it's nice to like just get on some bike rides with family and that.
That was a good turn.
Yeah, that was good. Oh, lock up. Oh, you got your keys?
I got my keys.
Got your keys, yeah?
Yeah. That's smart idea, isn't it?
Huh?
Smart idea.
Yeah, keeping the keys on that. Yeah, it is.
We're at bowling now, just parking up. I mean, last time I was very, very bad at bowling, so hopefully this time I'm a bit better. I feel Lorenzo's done alright still. You do good?
Mel uses the little guided, you know, little thing you roll it down.
No, I don't. Why are you lying for?
Lorenzo does, sorry.
Oh, I think it's
Sorry,
me.
yeah,
I was about to-
Melo's rubbish. Lorenzo needs. I keep getting your names mixed up. Lorenzo needs the sides up. You need the sides up as well.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
No, not this time.
Lorenzo just doesn't have the arm strength. Do you know what I mean? Come on, Sienna, man, jeez. Taking long.
She's an independent woman, leave her alone.
Didn't have to do much riding then, did you? Chilling in the back with baby.
I
Lazy.
actually wanted to ride that bike, you know.
Did you?
But I said it's a little bit far.
Yeah.
So.
Was a little bit
Maybe.
far.
And he would.
Let's get behind Melo's waves to see the baby. Baby! Baby!
You don't want to.
Baby! 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 Hey, I have to call you 4 times though, but hey. Okay, so we've arrived at bowling. One problem is, I don't know what the lighting's saying. The lighting on the camera looks alright, but once I put it on the computer, I don't know if the lighting's going to be poor. Another annoying thing as well is background music, so I don't know how much recording we can do in here.
My crips are lit. Yeah.
Oh my God, Mello, the cheese is unreal. I can't believe, I didn't know you did them cheesy ones. Since when are you doing the cheesy jokes? You must be getting old, man.
Right, you first.
Yeah.
Because you're the youngest. The perks of being the youngest. Extra small. Are you going to roll it or are you going to bowl it?
Roll it.
Roll it. Okay then. Off you go.
Go on, Maya. Go on, Maya. Go on, Maya. Go on, Maya. Yes. Oh my God, this is taking an age. Yes. Go on, Maya, second shot. Okay, that's a bit faster. Oh, is it spinning away? Is it coming inside? Oh, it spun away, Maya. Oh no.
Ready?
I'm ready. You ready? Woo! Bloody hell. Decent. Decent, decent, decent. Okay.
That's good.
That was good.
I turned my finger.
Second ball. I think I'm standing a bit too close there.
No.
Oh no. Yes, it's coming inside. It's coming inside. You got 1 pin. Lorenzo, watch out the way, Maya. Lorenzo, you're up. Oh, oh. Ah, dear. Try and make that a bit straighter, Lorenzo. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Oh!
That was a large, you know.
That was what? A large ball. You ready, Mello? Yeah. Okay, now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's do this, Mello. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, Mello. Let's do this. Oh! I didn't know the gutters were down. Got a ball, Mello. Who put the gutters down? Second shot now. Second shot. Second shot. Second shot. Come on, no gutter ball. Oh, Mello. Mello. Ooh. 2 pins left. That counted as well.
Let's see how we go. I didn't too bad last time, did I?
You didn't do too bad.
Came second.
You come second.
Yeah,
Who was first? What was I?
First at everything. You came third.
Did I? Debatable. Debatable.
Right, get in my space.
I'm not in your space. You got so much space.
No,
I need to hold the camera. Come on. Your mum got a ball.
Tester.
Tester.
Yeah.
Second shot. Ooh.
This geezer always thinks he's the champion of everything. Always claims he's the best at everything. So let's see how he fares.
They haven't got a ball that fits my hands.
There's an extra large over there, I think. Over behind, I think there might be some.
I have to turn the ISO up and that, you know.
I know.
Super dark, super black.
Right, watch out the way, you guys. He might drop the ball.
Alright. It's not bad.
Oh, not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. So we go to the scoreboard. 6 to Sariah, 6 to Sienna, Lorenzo's got 8, Romello's got 8, I've got 8, and I'm sure you've got 7. Me, Romello, Lorenzo are drawing.
Yeah.
You then you, and then the twins. You got 7?
Oh yeah.
You got 7?
Sweet. First shot, man. Oh, we resume. And Sariah, funny enough, is in the lead, which is absolutely ridiculous. I think it's Tara and Lorenzo that's joint second, and then I think I'm at the bottom. But yeah, just resuming from here at Sariah's goal. Go Maya, go Maya. Looks good, Maya. Looks good. Gosh, she's so slow. Oh, Sienna, come on, too heavy for you. Come on.
Why on the spot? Why do I want it? Come on, please don't go.
Oh my days, might as well get a chair. Hey. Okay. Perfectly aimed towards the barrier. Going towards the middle. Looks good. Average, innit? That was alright, it was alright. In Meadows' last couple of goals, you've had a few gutter balls, ain't you? Yeah? Good job you didn't catch it on camera. But, fingers crossed, he gets another gutter ball now, and we get it on camera. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's not a gutter ball. Oh, it is a gutter ball. Can you make it 2 gutter balls out of 2? That's the main thing. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes, he can! 2 gutter balls out of 2. I don't know how you do it, man. You got any tips for me? I want to learn how to bowl just like that.
Nice and tidy. That's how it's done.
Oh, God. Hello. Too close. So Lorenzo just got a half strike, followed by Romello getting a half strike. Don't know what's going on. I had to sort myself out. Final shot now. Yeah? When you're ready. It's a gutter ball. It's a gutter ball. It's a gutter ball. It's not going well. I got a new name for you though. Know what it is? The gutter ball ballheads. What do you think? One more gutter ball. Come on. Do it for the channel. Do it for the channel, Melo. One more gutter ball. Yeah. Final shot. It's a gutter ball as well. Yep. Got a ball. On the shot.
Final shot.
I'm on 74 points. I can beat Tara. All I got to do is not done 1 pin. Melo's out the games. I'm 48. Lorenzo's already won this. He's on 91. No.
Got the ball!
Oh, that's poor.
He needs 1 gutter. You need gutter now.
If I get a good ball, I draw with you.
I know.
I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to play safe and just try and hit a pin.
Boring.
Try and go for it.
Boring. Go on.
Okay, ready?
All eyes on you.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes, I beat you, man. Yes.
But you should.
What should I?
Because you always claim you're the best at everything.
I am the best. Not today, though. Lorenzo, you are the winner with 98 points. Well done. Yeah. Melo,
I'm gonna just shoot.
last place. 48. Lorenzo almost doubled your score.
If I get a strike now, yeah, that means I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, if you get a strike now, yeah, you've won everything. Okay, right, I'll let you have anything you want to eat. You know, I'll give you £100 as well if you get a strike out now. Yeah? Okay, I mean it as well. Guaranteed money. Money in the bag. All you gotta do is knock the pins down. Do it, Melo. Do it. Do it. No, so I've got a ball again. Oh my God, you knocked down 2 pins. 2 pins. With the gutters. Oh, no, I'm shutting it off.
So guys, we've just come to the last place of the day before we head back. We are at the Indian restaurant. We are just about to have something to eat. I've just ordered a massive order. Everyone is pretty hungry. We last ate at about 4 o'clock and we had some pizzas. So everyone's like, yeah, ready to eat. So we've just done the bowling. Lorenzo won, as you've seen. He was lucky because he had the barriers on. So yeah, we are gonna end the vlog here. we're just about literally gonna eat and then head back, and I think we're gonna get an early night because we've got a bit of a busier day tomorrow. This vlog is obviously gonna be going up on Wednesday. Today's current date is Tuesday. So if you've enjoyed the vlog, you know the usual, don't forget to like this video, and also please subscribe if you are new, that way you'll know when we upload because you'll get the notification. And also if you're not, head on over to our Instagram and follow us because I keep us up to date very regularly. I'm always posting on stories, and if I'm not going to put another vlog, then I'll put it on Instagram. Instagram is always a place for us to know. And then we also put up on our Twitter, so if you're not following us on Twitter, head over to Twitter. All the links will be in the description anyway below, so you can check it out. Anyway guys, you're going to say bye everyone?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.